Salam semua. Look at this beauty. This is the Nissan Sentra B13, a true legend from the early 90s. Even with its boxy design, it still turns heads today. There's just something about these classic lines that make it stand out. Even in the modern era, for me, this car has its own charm. It's simple yet elegant. The proportions are just right. And let's be honest, boxy cars always have that unique appeal. Unlike its rivals, the Toyota Corolla, SE, Seg, and Honda Civic, which had multiple engine options, the Sentra B13 came with just one, the 1.60, 16-valve DOHC engine, producing 110 horsepower. This engine was quite advanced for its time, using fourth fuel injection instead of the older throttle body system. Oh, and another plus, this engine uses a timing chip. No need to worry about timing belt replacements. Speaking of smoothness, even at idle, this GA16 DEM has almost no vibrations. Surprisingly, even smoother than some four-cylinder Mercedes engines. It's been almost 2 weeks since I last started this car. Let's see how she wakes up. Like a champ, no hesitation. That's the reliability of a good old Nissan. Let's take it for a relaxing drive. There's something about driving an old school manual car that just feels so engaging. Back in the early 2000s, B13 still held a price tag above the $30,000. Launched in Malaysia in 1991, the Sentra B13 was one of the most advanced cars in its class. Unlike its successor, the B14, which used a simple torsion beam, this one had independent rear suspension, better ride quality, better handling. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the POV drive. Let's go! That's the magic of a torquey, long-stroke engine. Perfect for tackling steep roads like this. And just like that, we're at the top. Smooth, effortless, and fun. This is why driving a manual is always a special experience. The Nissan Sentra B13 may not be the fastest or the most luxurious car of its time, but it was built to last. Reliable, fun to drive, and packed with features ahead of its competition. If you ever come across a well-maintained B13, don't sleep on it. This is a legend that deserves more recognition. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. See you in the next one.